In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Outlook disconnected issue that many of us have faced at one time or another. It's frustrating when you're trying to get things done and suddenly your Outlook account isn't connecting properly. But don't worry, I'll guide you through a series of steps that should get you back up and running smoothly. First things first, let's ensure your internet connection is stable. Open up any web browser and try accessing a website to see if your internet is working without any hitches. If the page loads properly, you know your connection is live. However, if it's not loading or it's slow, you might need to disable or reconnect your VPN if you're using one. A quick restart of your router can also help if your connection seems unstable. Next, let's determine if the issue is specifically with your desktop Outlook by trying to access your account via the Outlook web app. If you're able to log in there without any problems, but your desktop Outlook still won't connect, it indicates the problem is likely localized to your desktop version. Now let's move on to addressing this locally. Sometimes the issue is as simple as Outlook being in offline mode. Open Outlook and navigate to the Send Receive tab. Here, look to see if the Work Offline option is enabled. If it is, a simple click will disable it, and Outlook should attempt to reconnect automatically. If you're still facing problems, a restart might do the trick. Close out of Outlook completely, not just minimizing it, and then restart your computer. Once your system is up and running, reopen Outlook to see if it reconnects. Another thing to check is your account sign-in details. Go to the File tab, then click on Office Account. From here, sign out of your account. Once you've done that, restart Outlook and sign back in. If you have multi-factor authentication set up, make sure to approve any prompts from the Microsoft Authenticator app. Lastly, let's look into any add-ins that might be causing trouble. To work with add-ins, we'll start Outlook in safe mode. Press the Windows plus R keys together to bring up the Run dialog. Type outlook.exe safe and hit enter. If Outlook connects as normal in safe mode, it's likely that one or more of your add-ins are the culprits. Go to the File tab, select Options, and then Add-ins. From there, disable all COM add-ins and restart Outlook. This should help in isolating and resolving any add-in conflicts. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues related to Outlook being disconnected. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support for more advanced troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.